In this practice, we're going to configure responsive images with the picture, source, and image elements like we did, similar to what we did before. This is going to be ch8 image. We're going to go back into our starters and get the large, small, medium, and fallback. We're going to get our template again. Open that up in Notepad. Launch in Chrome, blank page. Now we're going to say image element. Save this as index.html. Image element, it's the only text on our page. So now we're going to code within our image attribute. So image src equals fallback.jpg, sizes equal 100 VW, src set equals large at 1200 width, medium.jpg at 800 width, and small.jpg at 320 width, with the alternate text equals water wheel, and I forgot the JPEG up here, so I need to get that on there. So if we save this, launch it in Chrome, same concept. Large, or not the same concept. Let's see, let's make it smaller and then run it again. Nope, it's still doing the large, so again, something's wrong somewhere, so let's take a look at it. So let me go back through my code. There's my image, my src is my fallback JPEG, so all of that's correct. My sizes is my 100 VW. My src set is my large.jpg. Oh, hang on. I broke it right here, I bet. I put a comma there, and I bet I did not need that. So let's save this. Launch it in Chrome. Well, that does that. But that's still not what it's supposed to do. So let's see. src set equals large 1200W medium.jpg. Helps if I spell it correctly. Got all kinds of wrong ones on this one. Still not doing it. 800W small JPG. 320W. Alt is my water wheel. So, save it. Oh, there we go. I didn't save last time, I guess, when I got rid of that comma. So large. Oh no, look at this. Let's make it smaller. Run it in Chrome. It was just working. Close out Chrome completely. Launch in Chrome. Medium. So I can't get it down small enough to check the small, but I can see the medium and the large. I just have to refresh the browser to get it if I try to take it back bigger. So essentially it's functioning correctly. I like the picture one better because it seems to work a little bit better, but those are some options for you.